de ubusami asisi a meka se lawyer Kusi hwe or started ya meka say the unnecessary PR was too much. I think lawyer Kusi owes Broni an unqualified apology. In my opinion.
On your opinion.
Yes. I think say it did say because lawyer Kusi asked when the judge had not made any pronouncement, no judgment was given. Lawyer Kusi was calling names, calling Broni side chick, slay queen. Even made an assumption here.
Broni, your friend is slay queen.
Nyamena me count.
There be your friend is
who can say your friend is mean tiasie.
Boni din no wakase slay queen ana.
Oh, Empress video no. Ana won share. Video. I was of the opinion say, as a lawyer, focus on your job, do your job, and deliver. That was my opinion. But then the name calling, the unnecessary interviews, and all of that, I feel say she owes the lady an apology. Because I'm not time na judge and making statements via judge. I recognizing as a wife, no. All those name calling and all of that. What was that for? Do you realize, sir, now it was actually highly unnecessary, in my humble opinion. Extremely unnecessary. What am I saying? Then we come to Ebusuapeni as well. There were name calling. Ebusuapeni says, they are recommending that go back to the family and apologize to them. Because Yachemu say, Mekaisa Danezi or Heneba, I can say, Ebanu Kunaya. Ebusuan the betre say asetina woni ye dehye ne tena yentino ye be ma ho kwan say wo be yekuna enti sisi a entokoye akoso back and forth akoso ukoye kuna na ebusuan so wo monye a den na wo be ye enunti na judge din kan ehye say be ya munyi asem ne mra fie na monye den mo meka na nka sumdue emra yesi ye ntia ho ase se yakọ court na se court akasa se say dia e wo se ye ti ase ye ntia ase dia. Let us not disrespect the judiciary system. Let's go to the court of appeal. You think you have evidence, go to the court of appeal and make your case. Pacho they make a note to say I think he has to apologize to Ebusuapeni and
wanna apologize
the lawyer. He made certain statements about Ebusuapeni as well. He has to apologize. Na me mom there in my opinion, message say ensehe. Mama kosu amfa na nintu ne manim. Eni sebi ebusuanim. Ensehe. Say bia ye ne ebusuafo betena se. Na yakasa. Na yehu the way forward. Na yehu senya ye be den. Ye be kɔ yanim.